Imagine more exciting meals and drinks, being more creative in the kitchen with no more time-consuming prep. Now, Ninja makes it possible. Introducing the Ninja Intelli-Sense, 4 individual high-performance appliances that all work from one smart base. A total crushing blender, a precision processor, a high-speed blender, and even an auto spiralizer.
Doing things you never thought possible. That's the mark of a maker. The KitchenAid Food Processor Collection. For all your masterpieces.
Introducing the new evolution in food processors by the iconic brand Cuisinart, the all-new CompleteChef, the food processor that cooks. It perfectly processes and expertly cooks, all in one bowl, for the ultimate in ease and convenience. The CompleteChef does all the prep you expect from a traditional food processor, like slice, shred, dice, mix, and chop. Plus, it also cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, and purees. It even kneads improved dough and makes risotto. 200 pre-programmed recipes expertly guide you through every step with full-color photos, an ingredient list, and nutritional information. You can also customize your cooking with multiple functions, a timer, speeds, and precision temperature control, producing exceptional results. Perfectly processed and expertly cooked with the all-new CompleteChef, the next evolution in food processors.
Save time and space with the Magimix food processor. It truly is the most versatile and invaluable addition to any kitchen. From starters to dessert, Magimix makes life simpler in the kitchen. The powerful and efficient ultra-quiet induction motor is guaranteed for 30 years. All it takes is one button and the Magimix motor automatically adjusts the power depending on what's in the bowl. Magimix food processors come with 3 bowls, the Mini, Midi and Main. The Mini bowl is ideal for chopping, mixing and combining small quantities, from a delicious pesto sauce to the perfect 1-egg mayonnaise dip. The Midi bowl is perfect for slicing and grating all your fruit and vegetables. The extra-large feed tube allows slicing both length and widthways for creating perfectly uniform slices with ease. There's no limit to what you can do. Let your Magimix be your sous chef and process your ingredients in a fraction of the time. The Main bowl is for chopping, mixing and combining large quantities. The stainless steel Sabatier main blade crushes ice and chops the finest and toughest of ingredients. Together with the patented Blender Mix ring, you can blend the finest soups and sauces, airiest pancake batters and smoothest smoothies. Knead pasta, pastry, brioche and bread dough all in a matter of minutes with the dough blade. Homemade deliciously golden pizza bases and moorishly flavoursome pie crusts are at your fingertips at the touch of a button, giving you unbeatable results every time. And finally, with the Egg Whisk, you can create the fluffiest egg whites, puffiest soufflés and showstopper pavlovas with ease. From starters to dessert, a Magimix food processor makes life simpler in the kitchen for everyone who's passionate about making good food.
Introduces the Performance Dicing Food Processor. Stocked full of specialty blades, this impressive collection will change the way you cook. Create perfect dices in no time, and adjust the width of slices without taking anything apart. And that's just the start. Here's the commercial-style dicing disc and the adjustable slicing disc, a shredding disc, a dough blade, and 2 types of S-blades, with an extra-wide feed chute and a pair of work bowls. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe removable parts and a cleaning tool for the dicing disc. Plus, the full lineup of blades stores conveniently in the compact storage case. The BLACK+DECKER Performance Food Processor, making homemade easier than ever.
Home chefs and foodies can now quickly create an unlimited variety of food prep options with the Cuisinart stainless steel 13-cup food processor. The touchpad controls allow you to easily puree soup, chop herbs and nuts, slice fruits and vegetables, shred cheese, and more. Use the dough blade to create delicious homemade bread and pizza dough in minutes. This stainless steel Cuisinart food processor comes equipped with a 13-cup work bowl, a 4.5-cup nesting work bowl, and a convenient space-saving locking storage case, which safely houses all of your accessories. The Cuisinart stainless steel 13-cup food processor has a seal-tight advantage system that seals the bowl at the top, allowing for maximum bowl capacity usage. And together with the patented blade lock feature, which keeps the blade in place and seals the bottom of the bowl, allows for ease in processing, pouring, lifting, and handling. The Supreme wide-mouth feed tube accommodates whole fruits and vegetables. The adjustable slicing disc goes from thin at 1 millimeter and ranges up to extra thick at 7 millimeters. And the reversible shredding disc shreds veggies from fine to medium consistency. It's easy to clean as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. With other accessories available separately, such as the dicing and spiralizing kits, you can create even more delicious dishes. Speed up your prep time and create more meals in less time with the Cuisinart stainless steel 13-cup food processor.